Hello, my name is Postcard. This is a kitchen. Here are three plates on the cupboard. There are three oranges in the plate. There are a shoes on the floor. There is one cup on the floor. There are the bowls next to the toilet. There is a father with the news. There are two children in school. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.